Hey there everybody. So in these different videos, I want to go over some best practices to make your content run more reliably overall on any device, but especially on weaker devices like Pis and Fire Sticks and Android smart TVs. In this example, like in most cases, I've got a bunch of content already that is already running on my displays, but I'm seeing some issues where my displays aren't running as smoothly as they could, so let's dig in to see what we can change. In this example, we're going to talk about videos, and you can reduce the strain on your device by sizing videos to the correct resolution before uploading. So let's go over to storage, and in storage, I've got a couple videos that are in 4K, but my displays are only 1920 by 1080. That means my displays are having to download the entire video at its current 4K resolution, and then open it, and then scale it down to fit my display. That's a lot of wasted CPU capacity, especially for weaker devices, so let's change that to 1920 by 1080. Now, one option that I did want to mention, in case you don't feel like re-encoding your video and your network allows YouTube to run on your displays, is to upload your video to YouTube, especially if you own the video. And you could use it that way instead, just by using our YouTube template. But one thing to keep in mind though is YouTube doesn't cache, so in case the internet's not available, those YouTube videos won't work. Now the free tool, oh, you know what, I should go ahead and download this first. And now that it's downloaded, I can work with it. So the free tool that we're going to use here is Handbrake. Handbrake is a free tool that you can download, you can do through a Google search for Handbrake. And Handbrake looks a bit different on Windows and Mac, but it works the exact same way. So we're going to click on Open Source. And we're going to select our video. And I'm going to select Open. Now it's going to do a quick scan of the video itself. And next, what we're going to do is from this preset section right here, it should already be defaulted, but make sure you choose the fast 1080p 30. What that means is it's going to re-encode the video at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, which is the standard for most monitors. We want to name our file. So where it says save as, we're going to change this to 1080p 1 minute video. Once we've got all that set up, all we have to do is press start. It's going to go through the process of re-encoding the video. Normally it's really quick, but that always depends on the size of the video. Alright, now that our video is done encoding, we can close Handbrake. And we can upload that video to Resize storage by clicking Upload Files, selecting our 1080p 1 minute video, and pressing Open. Now, one thing to bear in mind is all the videos that are uploaded to Resize Vision, they go through an optimizer that ensures that it's the correct format and will run reliably and correctly on your media player. That might take a little bit of time, which is often why you see it reach the middle point and then pause. Don't worry, it's not paused, it's just optimizing the video. Alright, it looks like it's almost done. And then once it's done uploading the entire thing and optimizing the entire video, we'll see it available here in this folder, and we can now add that video to our presentation. They look exactly the same, but this one that we just uploaded is way smaller and much easier to run on the device.